We are here in Ludwigsburg, Germany at the world's largest pumpkin festival.
This pumpkin festival is held here at the Ludwigsburg Palace, which is the largest palace here in Germany. It's over 79 acres, including all of the palace gardens. So they have all these pumpkin displays that are positioned around the gardens, and it's really incredible just to walk through and see all of the nice landscape architecture and all the nice flowers, as well as all the pumpkin displays. So today is the first day of the giant pumpkin carving contest. So I'm going to show you guys some of the different pumpkins that they're carving today.
The winner of the contest is actually chosen by the people who visit today, so you get to vote for your favorite pumpkin. I'm gonna vote for the one that looks like the gorilla. That looks like the coolest one here.
Okay, so the first pumpkin treat we got to try is a pumpkin flatbread. So Griffin wanted this, so we're gonna try it. Here's your piece. Wow. That's good. This is the first time trying pumpkin on a flatbread or a pizza. It's really good. You know, similar to like squash, but wow, that's good. Did you like it? You don't like it?
All right, so this is the pumpkin flatbread. Let's give it a shot. I don't think I'm gonna like it. Very different. Is this pumpkin pieces?
Mm-hmm. And I think it's a pumpkin crust also.
It's good. It's not the best pizza I've had, but pretty tasty.
So besides all the pumpkin displays, there's also some different pumpkin food booths that are set up. So you can try like the pumpkin flatbread we just tried, and we're gonna try to find some more pumpkin desserts and snacks to try. So we want to try these pumpkin fries, but the line goes all the way back there. So far we have tried the pumpkin flatbread, the pumpkin seed bratwurst,
Which is not good.
which I feel like a regular bratwurst is better.
Would have been much better. Yeah.
But now we're going to try the pumpkin fries.
Rice. Yes.
There was a humongous line for these, so luckily our friends waited in line to get these for us.
Yeah.
So here goes nothing.
Oh, you're going with the sauce.
Yeah, I think it's
I gotta find the word.
just like a sweet potato fry.
Yeah. Yeah, it does more. Rachel said zucchini.
Kind of like zucchini.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, kind of tastes like a almost like an acorn squash.
Yeah. It was worth the wait.
Yeah,
I feel like it was worth the wait. Well, we didn't wait.
I would recommend. It was $5.50 for one serving of these fries, so I think that's reasonable.
Yeah.
Yeah. So besides just looking at the pumpkin displays, you can actually come and purchase your own pumpkins to make your own display to decorate your house for fall or for Halloween.
Sie drehen jetzt eine Runde und dann mache ich extra für Sie nochmal eine Portion.
Everything's pumpkin.
So behind me is the pumpkin shop, and they have all kinds of different foods in pumpkin. They have pumpkin pasta, pumpkin tortilla chips, pumpkin salsa, all kinds of really cool stuff. So they even have some booths here where you can sample different pumpkin products.
Also wer schlau ist, nimmt sich 2 Butternut und 2 Barbara mit.
Yeah, I think it's a pumpkin
Hat man
tortilla
Vorrat
chip
zu
or
Hause,
something.
hält sich lang.
They also have some really cool sand sculptures here that you can see. Let me just show you a few of them.
Okay, so with all these pumpkin sculptures and pumpkin carving and pumpkin treats, it makes me wonder, do Germans celebrate Halloween? So I did some research, and Halloween is not a traditional German holiday. So it's not very popular here in Germany, but supposedly it is on the rise, and kind of, especially the kids and the younger adults are kind of starting to celebrate it more in certain areas. I also did some more research and found out that trick-or-treating is kind of only done in certain neighborhoods. And that usually the kids here in Germany, if they do dress up, it's mostly something that's scary compared to the US. You know, US kids can dress up as like superheroes or, you know, whatever career they want to go into or something. Which seems like here in Germany, they're mostly like something scary, like a monster or a vampire. Okay, also on October 31st here in Germany, that is Reformation Day. So that can be kind of controversial because that's a religious holiday, and some people think that Halloween is a pagan holiday. So there's kind of a conflict there. That could be also one reason why Halloween may not be as accepted here in Germany. From our experience here in Germany, I think more people just celebrate fall than celebrate Halloween. And I think it's more important just to celebrate the end of like the harvest season and celebrate, you know, the changing of the leaves and the fall harvest and pumpkins than to celebrate dressing up in scary costumes and things like that. Because they already have holidays where they dress up in costumes like fashion here in Germany.
Okay, our last treats of the day is a pumpkin muffin and Kürbis ice. Kürbis means pumpkin. It's green! How cool is that? All right, let's check her out. All right, let's try this. Kind of looks more like pistachio. Oh my gosh. I don't know.
Is it pumpkin or pistachio?
No, it's pumpkin, but it tastes like pistachio.
Are you sure? It's pistachio.
No. It's good though. It's good. There's like some. That's pistachio, right? It's good though. Next is the pumpkin muffin. There's like little bits of pumpkin in there, so we'll try it out. That's good. It's good.
Okay, so we're ending our time here at the Ludwigsburg Palace, just enjoying these awesome gardens and landscaping. So we really enjoyed our time here. I think it was really cool with all of the different pumpkin arrangements. It was so cool to see.
Yeah, it was definitely worth checking out, especially if you live here in Germany, you're traveling through Germany. Just an awesome family fun day.
So comment below some of your favorite fall traditions or Halloween traditions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos to see more content about exploring Germany and traveling Europe.